These are the escalators at Macy's Men's Home Furniture, Aventura Mall in Aventura, Florida. But before we ride the escalators, let me take a look at this. There are the escalators. Whoa! Look at this. There's no upside. And these are Schindler escalators. Whoa, look at this. Schindler. Look at this first. Schindler. Whoa, look at this. Schindler. Look at this atrium right here. It's truly beautiful. This way to the elevator, I think. So let's take a look at this. Wow, it's a very Burdines style store. As you can look at this. No downside. Let's look at this. Schindler. There's the up escalator, which happens to be stopped today. Whoa. Look at this. Wow. Oh, there's this right. Schindler. Schindler. There's another up escalator. Just look at this skylight first. Schindler. That's it.